I am Ben Gromicko from Internachi, and this is a quick tip about your membership dashboard related to promotional videos that are available for your website. Go to nachi.org, top right corner, log into your dashboard, scroll down to Business Development. There on the right side, you'll see a link for the promotional videos where you can get those videos. There's a ton of videos that you can use any way you want, like embedding them on your website. I like the What Really Matters in a Home Inspection video, and there's the HTML code. You get this HTML code and you embed it on your website, just like I did. My website, bigbeninspections.com, has the What Really Matters video embedded on the home page, and there it is. If you need a great website that will help you embed those videos, go to nachi.org/website. FastSite for You is Internachi's official vendor for home inspector website designs, and they can help you embed those videos onto your new great website. Go to nachi.org/website. Now, the quick tip again is go into your Internachi membership dashboard and get those promotional videos and use them in your website.